Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is the use of a and an. Use of a. A is used in front of singular countable noun like person, animal or thing, which are not specific. When the noun begins with consonant has a before it. Let's see the following examples. Look at the picture. It's picture of bear. Bear start with B. B is consonant letter, so we write a before it. Look at here. What is this? This is the picture of kite. The word kite start with letter K, and K is also consonant letter, so we write a before it. Now this is the picture of house. The word house start with letter H, and letter H is also consonant letter, so we write a before it. Now let's learn when we use an. Use of an. An is used in front of singular countable noun like person, animal or things, which are not specific. When the noun begins with a vowel has an before it. Let's see the following examples. Look at this picture. What is this? This is picture of egg. Word egg start with letter E, and E is vowel letter, so we write an before it. Next picture is ant. Look at the word ant. Word ant start with letter A, so A is vowel. Now we write an before it. This is the picture of igloo. Word igloo start with letter I, and letter I is vowel letter, so we write an. Now you know where we use a and